Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iMessage and FaceTime stuck on verifying phone number in iOS 16.6 beta 3. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Turn on FaceTime. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap screen time. Scroll down, tap content and privacy restriction. Tap allow apps. Turn on FaceTime. Solution number 3. Turn off and on iMessage and FaceTime. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap messages, turn off iMessage, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Go back general page, tap FaceTime, turn off FaceTime, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 5. Set date and time automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general, tap date and time. Turn on set automatically. Thanks for watching this video.